Please. Now, Mr. Anson.
Objection, Your Honor. Your Honor, please, do the leg well. This leg Blake. So, do like this. Yeah. Your Honor.
Mr. Anson, on this day that this incident happened, where were you going?
I was going to campus.
You were going to campus?
Yeah.
And how were you walking? Which direction were you facing as regards the traffic, incoming traffic?
Well, I was faced towards campus.
Okay, so the cars were coming behind you.
Yeah.
Did you have earphones on?
Yes.
Were you listening to something?
Yes, I was listening to music.
What were you listening to?
Music.
Music. Okay, so could you hear anything happening in your surrounding?
Your Honor, if my client to hear surrounding, why he put this in there?
I think it's a direct question. Let him
He
answer.
don't want to hear. That's why he put that in there. And open this thing. So he opened big volume.
So could you hear?
I could hear my music.
You could hear your music.
Yeah.
Anything else?
No.
So you didn't hear people shouting, asking you to get out of the way? Obo, soho, masa, hey, bema. Nothing?
No, I don't think so.
So, what happened? How did you see that car coming and for you to jump out of the way?
Well, the people ahead of me were making some gestures. I didn't really pay attention to them, but I thought they were maybe trying to talk to someone behind me, so I decided to turn around. That's why I saw her car speeding towards me.
And then?
And then I jumped out of the way.
You jumped out of the way? Into the road or?
No.
Where?
Onto the side of the road.
That is into the bush?
Yeah, but...
So you jumped there, and what happened?
But unfortunately, I couldn't jump in time, so her car ran over my foot.
Her car ran over
Yeah.
your foot? Which foot exactly?
And the leg and the head too.
Objection, Your Honor. Your Honor, would my learned colleague allow me to cross-examine him? So which foot?
The right foot.
So could you please show the court which part exactly got broken? So which part? Show us.
The foot.
Where?
Which part?
This part?
Yes.
Hey, blink it. If you blink this part, what are you going to do? Huh?
So you're telling us that this part got broken?
And I'm telling you that this part.
All right, so I can see clearly. So if you are showing me it was your foot, and you are pointing to your foot, I don't know how come you were able to wear these sneakers on that foot. That's
You see?
That's number one. And again, I don't know how your lawyer can tell you that don't say that part, but say this part, because this part is broken. And you are the person feeling it, and you don't know which part you're feeling. It's just very obvious that the winning is getting into his head, and now he wants to cook stories to win more. Let me remind him that it was just a month ago that I made you go visit the prison. The second time.
Your Honor, let me tell you the truth. This man come and tell me that the woman have money. The woman, small days in that the woman came. So as the woman have money, he want to take some money. So, he tell me to help him. Me too. I want to help him. Because if you are a law, you have to, sometimes you have to last more, you know.
Come again? If you're a lawyer, you have to lie small.
Objection, Your Honor. Your Honor, I take exception to that.
What's shame?
We lawyers are honorable and honest people.
So you don't lie?
You.
You
lie small.
You lie small.
Yeah.
And you know that even though it is part of your profession, it is wrong.
Then tell this man.
Which man? It's not right because you want to win. It's just not right. Because you want to get your client off the hook. Sometimes you lie.
Yeah, why?
You have the lives of people in your hands when you stand here. For example, maybe if because due to the lies you tell, he wins. And then she is given some jail term. You hurt not only her, but you hurt her children as well. You hurt her husband. When you stand here, the lives of people are in your hands. I need the two of you and any lawyer who enters my court to remember that. That is honor. Not because honor is not in winning. Honor is in doing the right things. That is honor. And that is what we must stand for. We must make a difference. Life is too precious to be played like a game. Anyway, please sit. Now my judgment. It is true that from the look of things, even if you were going for servicing, you weren't doing it right. That is very obvious. That you drive a car and you can wait till you have less than a gallon in your car before you, and not only are you looking for an option to fill it, you are still going to pick your son before you now go and look for fuel to put in your car. It is obvious you are not paying, and you don't know so much about the car, which is dangerous not only to yourself and to your family, but to the rest of us, like what almost happened. However, we as pedestrians have a responsibility. Even though it is obvious that we all have parts of the road that belongs to us and the law assigns that, fine. But you have a responsibility to stay alive. Because these are machines, and vehicles are always machines, and they can disappoint at any time. Even though the person is paying attention to it, it can develop faults that is beyond the control of the owner. And so if you are going to trust, and I've heard that often, when I drive past some areas, some people will dance across the street and just jump into the road, and then they'll tell you, oh, they're bombing here. If you hit me, then you will see. After I've hit you that you are suffering in the hospital, is that when I'm going to see? Your life is more important, and your life must be more important to you than the pride of claiming ownership of the road. But again, it's unfortunate that these days I was beginning to think that you were coming on course, because you've done some expedient and a very excellent work lately. But I don't know why you want to retrogress. All right. A useless case. The case is dismissed, and my court is adjourned.